The Sioux Chief single valve service box comes in a color-coded blue carton to help distinguish it from other ServiceBox models. Carton labels are easy to read and visible from multiple angles to allow for convenient storage and display. Each box includes all of the components needed for installation: the valve and access box, main block tube anchors, and steel fire shields, which are included with all models, but only need to be used on installations in fire-rated walls. The valve inside the access box is protected by a cover plate. The positioning plate under the cover keeps the valve properly aligned inside the box and helps restrict any unauthorized operation of the valve. To install the single valve service box, locate the incoming water line and position the box on the stud where it can be connected to the incoming line. All single valve service box models include a cap drain port behind the handle, which allows for easy drain down once the valve is turned off. The yellow flag label indicates the location of the drain port. Be sure to position the valve with the flag label toward the dwelling. Mount the box to the stud with 2 screws, or if needed, the box can be installed between studs by pushing common flat brackets through the top and bottom tracks of the box. Connect the water lines to the inlet and outlet side of the valve according to the ASTM standards for the connection being used. Models are available in all common connection types: F1960 expansion PEX, F1807 crimp PEX, CPVC socket, push sockets for CTS and IPS tubing, and male sweat shanks, which can also be used for push connections or copper press. To ensure the strongest possible installation, all service boxes include the exclusive main block tube anchor. Attach the backside half of the main block to the stud with 3 screws. Be sure the tube is positioned in the channel and attach the front half with 3 screws. Using main block tube anchors on the inlet and outlet side of your service box locks water lines in place and keeps the installation rock solid. All ServiceBox models are approved for installation in fire-rated walls. Steel fire shields with intumescent pads are included with all models, but only need to be used on fire-rated installations. To install the fire shields, assemble the shields over the inlet and outlet connections and interlock them at the back. Then, push a common flat bracket through the top and bottom tracks of the box. Position the box as needed and use the set screw to lock the box in place. At finish, remove the ServiceBox debris cover. The positioning plate can be removed or remain in place to protect valve operation as desired. The ServiceBox uses the same frame and frame extensions as the standard OxBox. Snap in the frame to provide a professional finished look. A few things to remember about your ServiceBox installation. ServiceBox valves have union-style connections, which allow the valve to be easily removed and replaced if ever needed. Simply loosen the nuts, remove and replace the valve, and then secure the nuts over the gaskets and tighten. All ServiceBox valves are full port, which is a plumbing code requirement for valves at the water heater and valves at the main water service. Finally, ServiceBox valve handles are large and made from anodized aluminum, making them both easy to operate and corrosion resistant. Thanks for watching. For more information on the ServiceBox, check out our website at SiouxChief.com.